Yes. Hello, this is our kitten. And he's my baby. He's the tiniest one out of all of them over there. Now look
Tony's in there.
Look behind you. Look, put it at the ground. Put the camera at the ground. That's our kitten over there. There's a
fan. I'm pointing to the fan. What the heck? You looking at the fan. There. What the
He's stuck to my shirt. Look, me and him are partners.
Hey,
Ed!
I got right out. Hey, Tony. What's up?
Stop!
This is tight,
Sorry.
yo. I like this new recording
I turn
thing.
the cat up.
Is our baby?
Mhm.
Baby.
You
Yeah.
gonna touch your nipples?
It's already in my nose.
I wish I come up there again. Look. Feisty
You
old
want to
thing.
do? You gotta change the diaper. Ow! Oh, stop! He's a honey. Don't pick him up like that.
Is it yours?
It's our tiny baby kitten. Oh, he's grabbing on me! Mama said to Jesus! Get off me. He's all on me! He's pinching mommy! He's pinching mommy! He's pinching mommy! Ow! Ah!
Good gracious. Did it scratch you? Are you bleeding?
He scratched my shirt so hard.
Man. Put it down. Don't mess
He got
with
fleas! Put him down! Put him down! He got fleas!
Oh, Lord of mercy.
Sorry, why I had to do it.
What you got?